Let's review 2 ways we can export 3D model data from SOLIDWORKS out to 2D file formats such as DXF or DWG. The first example will take a simple 3D model where we plan to export the top view of this design out for use in some kind of 2D file format. We can head up to File, Save As, and from the Save As type, pick DWG or DXF from the list and hit Save. The DXF DWG output property manager pops up here where we can select some export options. We want to export the top view and not the current view. The current view is just this sort of off-centered ISO angle that we're viewing the model with now. We want to export the top view, and we can leave all of the other settings as default. Hit OK. This brings up this cleanup page where we have the option to select entities to remove from the final export. I can draw a box around multiple entities at once and then hit Remove Entities, or I can just select a single entity at a time and remove them one by one. I'll hit Save when it looks clean enough to continue to the export. We can see here that the DWG exported successfully. I'll open it up in eDrawings to take a closer look. From here, we can review the file contents, and this is ready to share with someone who might need this data in their 2D design software. Next, we'll look at how a sheet metal flat pattern can be exported in a similar manner. We can head up to File, Save As, and pick our file type, this time selecting DXF. Now here we have an additional radio button for sheet metal export. From here we can select which entities from the sheet metal flat pattern we want to include. Maybe I will check bend lines, and again just leave everything else as the default and hit OK. In the cleanup window, we can see that this is exporting the flat pattern of my SOLIDWORKS design. And as I zoom in, we can tell that the bend lines are actually dashed. As we saw before, we could select entities to remove, but in this case, we will just leave everything as is. And here we are in eDrawings. We can see the sheet metal flat patterns DXF on display here. Now this could be sent out for machining or engraving or for interoperability with other CAD systems. But now you know how you can save out your 3D SOLIDWORKS data to DXF or DWG.